Samar Demes.
I thought you John Kumar.
John Kumar is from Bararaveli.
Good morning to John Kumar. Tuning all the way from Bararaveli Road in Singatoka this morning. And a very good morning also to those tuning in from the bus. From
the students.
From the students.
The students boarding the bus to go to school. Today
yes, Mike.
is especially year 13.
Right.
From 7 will be sitting for their maths.
Right.
Maths examination today. We wish you the very best.
Right.
And we hope that you
mathematics
will,
today.
Yes, maths.
Mathematics.
Yesterday, the Mayavo is very good in maths.
Yeah. Look at his head.
To the research.
Look at his eyes; it's starting to multiply.
Right. Like last week, we were doing the drive show, and my Thai baby Sak.
Yes.
Fella never came on our Maloliki live. The fella said, "No, you can just call me. We do the Maloliki on the phone because I'm going to the exam."
Oh.
Last week Friday.
Maybe he's a supervisor.
No, he said for the exam.
Which kind of exam this one apply?
Receipt one paper.
Yeah.
He failed on during the.
His students. Maybe they're students.
Yeah.
He's the teacher.
Yeah, that's a teacher.
Yes.
The long form of the TP. Baby Sak,
Right.
all the way from Brisbane in Australia. Everyone joining this morning.
Right.
It's a Monday, it's a new month, it's a new week, it's a new day. But we are welcome enough. Some of us are still in the home.
Right.
Yes.
Because of the flu that are going around.
Right.
Yes.
Be drink
very
a lot
careful.
of water.
Punctual.
Yes.
Be punctual.
Yes.
Mask the face. Use the mask.
Right.
To wear and help you to ignore.
Elaborate.
Flu
Yes.
And elaborate.
To fight.
Right.
To fight against disease
Right.
that comes within you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Talaga na Willie. Come.
Okay, Demesi and Eleanor.
Yes.
Since like today is the first time for me to be part of the breakfast show.
Call it to Annette.
And there is a female too.
Yes.
Congratulations to Eleanor being part of the team. And during this Ouch Palagi show,
Alay ba mau?
I want to ask you two one question.
Yes.
Between this is in between a man
Yes.
or a woman
Yes.
in our household
Family.
at home, eh?
Oh,
Yes.
In our family.
The
Okay.
triangle and the circle.
Yes. I want to ask you to this
And the
question.
equal.
The triangle and the circle
Yes.
and the equal.
Yes.
Who spends more money wisely
Yes.
at home? Is it mom or dad? My dad. Who
Money.
spends money wisely at
Yes.
home?
Mommy.
Okay. Oi, mommy.
Mommy is a manager in the home.
Yes.
Daddy?
Daddy is
No.
a CEO in the home.
So in other words, you're saying daddy is like wasamusambu,
Not sambu-sambu.
right?
Because most of the time, mommy control the financial in the home.
Yes.
All right.
But daddy,
Yeah.
the good thing about daddy,
Right.
he groom mommy in the way to financial the bank.
Okay.
Yeah.
So daddy look for the money
Yes.
and mommy control the financial
If mommy
right.
civilize the
Right.
money,
Right.
kaya pagka saliba sambu-sambu takatiko mommy na money,
Right.
mommy,
Civilized where?
huh?
Civilized where?
Sometimes
Yeah.
when mommy is there,
Right.
he uncontrol the emotions of giving money away, like too much grogging,
Right.
too
No.
much smoking.
Right.
We are talking about mommy.
So in other words, mommy too also misuse money.
Yeah, misuse.
All right.
Because mommy
Right.
is a hairdresser. Daw ko makaliw.
Alright.
Kaya karua. If mommy it's like a giraffe,
Right.
he's doing some unsymbolized
Right.
method of life.
Okay.
Uncivilized.
Like unfaithful to the
Yes.
father.
All right.
Yeah.
Then,
If the mommy is unfaithful to the father, then what?
Then mommy is a father.
I don't think so. No. Yes, mothers, they are very good with money.
Right.
Yes, because we spend it on very important things.
Yeah. Very important.
Yes,
It's like what?
Very important things.
Right.
Like everything at home, the songo and
Right.
everything. Male, no.
Okay.
They just spend it on grog and cigarette and
So in other
going
words,
here, going there.
you are with the Messi, the daddy.
Yes.
That mommy is a good financial controller.
Yes, mommy is a very good financial controller, unlike daddy.
All right.
Daddy doesn't. That's why daddy gives the money to the wife, to the lady. Because if they don't give the money to the ladies,
right,
then the whole family will not eat.
Okay, if the money talks, what the money gonna say?
Electricity will be off.
If the money talks and the what come?
If the money talks, what the money gonna say?
Motel.
See, that's why you don't take the money. Don't give the money. Give it to the woman.
Iya, medap tali. Esanganin daw po sa naman.
I have some few questions, but that motel ends the house.
Binabalik Punjas Kei
Vinod Patel.
Samboy usar ka na pa matali, eh? Hindi na
Mami nga daddy. Mami nga daddy.
Mami nga daddy.
Why sinarusa kaya masinibanwa,
Right.
Bulare masikubuy, kamnel ni boy, fada bulare.
Right. Ay, usar, hindi na to na abi kan Robert ka to.
Right.
Niyo irangan na control ta ka na. Okay, basta man ta kaya makasangan na naibali.
Siya nga na naibali, sa kasar nga natara ba?
Ayo.
Sana kami berito nga bakata. Anrang kyo,
Iya?
Plantation Island Resort.
Right.
Marikan kyo, depan nirang.
Oh, marikan you, right.
Mel na dali, mommy is a big spender, right?
Yeah.
No,
Mommy
mommy is
is a
not.
big
Big spender, spending on very useful things.
Like
no?
what?
Like
Gel,
like
groceries.
grooming, eh?
Like it did.
Grooming for daddy to see.
Ah?
Grooming for daddy to see.
Iya, sa sonang ako sa bakas, onga reality ko.
Plenty time after grooming and you going, eh?
Yeah, going. And what about Daddy? Daddy is a...
Daddy is a scarecrow.
Sir, ni COU,
Right?
bet 43 lang ato sa Windalomay, Malo NV.
Oh, yeah, right.
Bulan. Para pa sa mata ni Singa. Imagine, if life,
Yeah.
Yes.
Tomorrow we will...
Imagine if life what?
Imagine if there is no woman.
there is no man.
Iyo.
Karabay tangiri nga na tinitinim mo. At tinitinan ni buwak.
Grooming.
You gonna groom one like baby Sake? Fella got one girl from Lebanon. When the girl went back to Lebanon, fella named the girl after one his pig. The female one.
Yeah.
Oh.
And groom the pig.
Oh.
And then I ask him accidentally. So that pig comes to the room. You sleep with the pig. No. Oh yeah, then you sleep with the pig because you groom the pig.
Yeah, Lebanon alomana.
Lebanon. A groom tako ko kanan na. So that's why you didn't come to work few weeks back.
And that's why he's always sweating.
Yeah, he's sweating even in the room, in the aircon room.
Petero to pidi. Bula na kase bulare.
Right.
Ang kosem sartu may nabinu ko bula may senay.
Stay tuned tomorrow morning.
Ha.
There will be other questions debating between men and women on our Arch Palagi show.
If there is no women,
If there is no woman, yeah, that's what he said.
There will be no multiply.
Yes.
If there is no man,
Yeah.
Yes. If there will be no man, no multiplication too.
Yeah.
multiplication comes
Yeah.
beyond.
Right. If there is no woman, no multiplication, but we will be good division.
Yeah, division.
Yeah.
Division. Asa talaga division no one ya. Division 100. Nawala mo naman taka. Paano ni binaka?